Right now, inside this building, 10,000 robots are building a car every 40 seconds. No breaks, no sleep, no mistakes. This is Tesla's Gigafactory, the most automated car factory on Earth. The teaser: imagine a factory so enormous, it creates its own climate. 10,000 robots, building cars faster than humans ever could. A machine so powerful, it forges entire car bodies in one piece. And hidden problems that could change everything you think about Tesla. What happens next will change how you see manufacturing forever. Before we meet the robots, you need to understand where they live. Giga Texas covers 10 million square feet. Picture this: 173 American football fields, all under one roof. 4 times larger than the Pentagon. Walk from one end to the other, and it takes 25 minutes without stopping. So why build something this big? Raw materials enter through one giant door. Finished Cybertrucks roll out just 40 hours later through another. No shipping delays, no 50 different suppliers like Ford or GM. Tesla controls everything, start to finish. Here's something engineers didn't expect. The building is so vast, temperature differences form inside it. In some sections, condensation builds near the ceiling. Workers report seeing moisture appear overhead. Does it actually rain inside? Tesla won't confirm. But the scale is undeniable. And here's what makes it even crazier. It was built in just 18 months. During a global pandemic, the Pentagon took 16 months. In peacetime, with an unlimited budget. Let that sink in. Now, meet the real stars. 10,000 robots, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year long. First comes the stamping press. Workers gave it a special nickname: 6,000 tons of raw force. Enough pressure to crush 100 cars flat. Every 5 seconds, it shapes a new aluminum panel. No breaks, no pauses, just perfect consistency. Take a second and let that sink in. Next, KUKA robotic arms take over the welding. 500 welds on a single car, each one taking just half a second. A human welder needs 30 seconds for the same job. That's 60 times faster. And the robot never gets tired, never needs coffee, never makes mistakes. Then come the FANU painting robots. 7 flawless layers: primer, base coat, clear coat, all applied with 0.01 millimeter precision. The paint room is cleaner than a hospital operating suite. One speck of dust can ruin an entire car. So Tesla made it almost impossible for dust to exist. But this is where things get unsettling. Every robot has vision systems, thousands of cameras watching everything. They inspect every weld, every panel, every single bolt. If a flaw appears invisible to the human eye, the entire production line stops in milliseconds. And these robots don't just follow instructions. They use artificial intelligence to learn, make a bad weld, and the robot corrects itself. Now, for perspective, Toyota, the efficiency king for decades, uses around 1,500 robots per factory. Tesla uses over 3,000, more than double. And coming soon, Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, designed to replace every remaining human worker. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Now follow one Cybertruck through its 40-hour journey. From raw metal to the truck in your driveway. Hour 0 to 2. Stamping. Giant aluminum sheets feed into the press. 6,000 tons of force shapes them into perfect body panels. Precision measured in fractions of a millimeter. Hour 2 to 8. Body assembly. 500 robots surround the steel frame. 5,000 welds happen in perfect sync. Like a violent ballet. Choreographed to perfection. Sparks fly. Metal joins metal. A truck body takes shape. Now here's Tesla's genius move, the Giga Press. Traditional trucks need 300 separate parts welded together for the rear frame. 300 parts, thousands of welds, dozens of failure points. Tesla, they cast the entire thing as one single piece, one part, 0 welds, stronger, lighter, faster to build. When Tesla announced this, competitors laughed. Impossible, they said. Too risky. Now, Toyota is copying it. Volvo is copying it. Everyone is copying it. Funny how that works. Things get really interesting. Hour 8 to 14. Painting. 7 layers in a dust-free clean room. Robots paint with surgical precision no human can match. 1 coat every few minutes. Perfect thickness. Perfect coverage. Hour 14 to 20. The heart. Battery installation. thousands of individual battery cells, arranged with millimeter precision, made at Nevada Gigafactory, where Tesla produces over 1 million cells daily. That's more than the entire world produced just 10 years ago, from one factory. Hour 20 to 35, final assembly, seats, giant touchscreen, wheels, glass roof. Robots handle heavy lifting, humans do detail work. For now, software loads into every system. Each Cybertruck isn't just a vehicle, it's a supercomputer on wheels. Hour 35 to 40, testing. Water test, can moisture leak in? Full drive test, does everything actually work? Every sensor, every motor, every connection, scanned and verified. Result, one finished Cybertruck rolls off the line, and another starts immediately behind it. So why does this actually work? 3 game changers that separate Tesla from everyone else. Game changer 1. Vertical integration. Ford deals with over 5,000 different suppliers. Engine from here, seats from there, electronics from overseas. One supplier has a problem, entire production stops. Tesla makes almost everything in-house. Batteries, motors, software, seats, even the glass. No supply chain disasters. Total control. Game changer 2. Software power. Toyota finds a rust problem, recall millions of cars, months of work, billions in costs. Tesla finds a problem, overnight software update. Your Cybertruck literally improves while parked in your garage. You wake up, and your car is better than yesterday. No other automaker can do this. Game changer 3. Giga Press revolution. That single-piece casting we talked about, it changed the industry. Toyota is copying it now. Volvo, Mercedes, everyone. Elon Musk's original vision had a name, Alien Dreadnought. A factory so advanced, it looks extraterrestrial, 0 humans. Eventually, he said something that explains everything. The factory is the product. The car comes second. Build the machine that builds the machine, and you win forever. Think about that. Tesla's real product isn't the Cybertruck, it's the factory that makes the Cybertruck. But perfection has a price, and it's time to talk about the real problems. First, worker safety. In 2023, Tesla's injury rate exceeded industry standards, not by a little, by a lot. Workers report repetitive stress injuries from trying to keep pace with machines, long shifts, tight deadlines. The robots don't need rest, humans do. Many workers last months, not years. Second, quality. Despite all that automation, problems remain. Panel gaps, paint issues. Early Cybertrucks showed visible flaws. The internet noticed, and it doesn't forget. Fit and finish still trail luxury rivals. And finally, the quiet controversy. Now let's talk about what's coming, because the future gets even crazier. First, Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, designed to walk like a human, work like a human, think like a human. Elon's goal? Complete factory automation, 0 human workers. Timeline: soon. He's been wrong about timelines before, but he's also been right when everyone doubted him. And after the robots take over factories, Tesla wants to sell Optimus to your home. A robot that cleans, cooks, does whatever you need. Science fiction? Maybe, but Tesla is building it. Second, global expansion. The map is growing. Mexico Gigafactory, confirmed. India, negotiations advancing. Saudi Arabia, talks heating up. By 2030, Tesla plans 10+ gigafactories worldwide, each one bigger than the last. Third, the $25,000 Tesla. This is the real game changer. A fully electric car for $25,000, only possible with total automation, maximum robots, minimum humans. If Tesla achieves this, it's game over for traditional automakers. Fourth, robotaxi fleet. Every Tesla built today has hardware for full self-driving, cameras, sensors, computing power. Future gigafactories won't just make cars, they'll build fleets of autonomous robotaxis. Here's the big picture. 10 years ago, the auto industry laughed at Tesla. Electric cars will never work. A tech company can't build cars. Elon Musk is crazy. Today, every car maker is copying Tesla's playbook. 10 years from now, human-free factories may be normal, and Tesla will have built them first. So that's Giga Texas, 10,000 robots. A car every 40 seconds. The most automated factory ever built. Is it the future of manufacturing? Absolutely. Is it perfect today? Not even close. But one truth stands above everything. Tesla is rewriting how humanity makes things. Love them or hate them, they're leading the charge. And the world is following. If this blew your mind, subscribe. More deep dives into the world's most insane factories and mega projects, coming soon. Now tell me in the comments, Would you work here? 12-hour shifts, surrounded by 10,000 robots. Dream job or nightmare scenario? I'll see you in the next one.